Last week I saw this cool video about running Linux desktop inside of Minecraft, and in the description it says Wayland Compositor works entirely integrated within a Fabric mod. Now if you don't know what the Wayland is, you can sync with your Windows or Mac desktop. The thing that drags your Windows, or basically how your entire desktop works, is handled by a piece of software. And on Linux, one of the modern versions of that software is called Wayland. Normally Wayland draws your desktop onto your monitor, but what this cool dev named EV did is to make it draw inside the game instead. So instead of a window popping on your screen, it pops up as a floating panel inside the Minecraft. And today, I'm going to try it for the first time. So here we are on Waylandcraft's GitHub page, and here it shows dependencies that will require from you to install it. Obviously you need Linux because it doesn't work on Windows, and here it shows the Minecraft version and then that 3 stuff you need to install. It shows that using Prism Launcher is recommended, but unless you are someone who's broke like me, you can use this, but don't tell anyone. And last but not least, we have Sodium mod. Great, now let's install all of them one by one. I will open my Prism Launcher and create new instance and select the right Minecraft version with the Fabric mod. Then we will get Sodium mod and the actual Waylandcraft mod from the Modern's website. And now we will install 3 other dependencies. I searched the internet and this code should automatically install all of them. And oops, I got an error. Let's ask the AI again, and I just realized that 2 packages were already installed by default and I only have to install X Wayland. Okay, that's done, and now all we have to do is launch the game.
2 hours later.
Okay, I just made a new creative mod and joined the game, and here on the GitHub page it shows the keybinds, and in order to open up the launcher we need to press the keybind V, and here it shows the launcher menu, and what I'd like to open from this menu is Helium. And whoa, I didn't expect that. I want the Helium browser inside the Minecraft, not like outside of the Minecraft. Here, let me try this again. Yeah, I think it's broken or something. So if Helium doesn't work, maybe the Zen browser works. Okay, yeah, this is what I wanted. Here I can put the Zen browser here, and it has transparency mod, that's why it's looking that way. And look, I am literally watching a Minecraft video inside of Minecraft right now. This is just really cool in my opinion. I can also open other stuff here, like Telegram, except it's Iogram, which is a modded version of Telegram. You can also press the G keyboard, and that way when you type something, it types inside of the program that you're using. Now I'm really curious on how it performs on gaming. Let's test it on Roblox. And yeah, as you can see, it runs smoothly, yet you can't just play it or move your mouse, because once you move it, it just moves inside of Minecraft, not in Roblox. What else I want to try is trying shaders inside of this Waylandcraft. I don't know if it works. I heard it might get broken, but let's try it anyways. Oh, this shader kinda looks cute. I want to try this thing, hold on. And no, we cannot try this shader. It's not the version that we are looking for. And maybe this one works? Let's see, yeah, it works. Let's install this one. And here's the moment of truth, applying the shaders. Oh, it worked. Okay. It's looking way better now. And for some reason, the Zen browser has a weird dark spots now, and the border size are changed kinda. But still, it works pretty fine in my opinion. Here I made myself a cute house. Now I'm gonna do something in here. Look at this, I have a nice sofa and this black spot for putting my stuff. Just gotta resize and move it up a little bit.
For Minecraft 2 for over a decade. And every year, we get a new update with...
And that was it for today's video. The Waylandcraft is really cool. You can try it out, and yeah, it has a lot of potential. It's a really good experience to have control over your Linux apps inside of a Minecraft. And yeah, I also recommend you guys try this one, and make sure to like and subscribe, I guess.